Hello, everyone. It's the time to talk about saving the model. Since we are totally satisfied with the model, we test the model and we like it. So it's the time to save it for the sake of using in Raspberry Pi. So now I will add a new programming section and I will call it Save the AI Model, Control MB. Let us try to do some kind of AI activity, like any possibility to save the model from AI. Any help? Correct. Tab, tab. But actually, we need a library from, yes, from TensorFlow.keras.models. No need for TensorFlow. I think keras.models will be enough. Yeah, so this is, thank you, Keras. Thank you, Keras. This is actually the library which is in charge and can help you to save your model. But before you, and I would like to save it as the name, I want to give it the name of model. So I will call it model. But the question is where it will be saved if I run this code. So don't run this code before you make your change directory to the location that you would like to save the model. So I actually, since it's our directory is here, audio for Ahmed dataset, I want my AI model.h5 appear here near all the other folders and files. So I will change the directory to here. So let me add the control MB. Oh, no, everything is fine. Sorry. Put up. Okay. So now I will change the directory. So any suggestion, change directory. Any suggestion from, yes, thank you. Thank you, AI. It suggests to me to go for audio for Ahmed. Correct, actually. But I need to add, this is audio for Ahmed. I need to put it in the backslash dataset. So I will add something to the path backslash, and you should write it correctly. The set. I think it's data set D capital S capital. Yes. So I would like to change the directory to this place. Go home, change directory. Okay, so let us check whether the directory is respawn. The new directory become the default or not. Control MB exclamation ls. Control enter. Cool. Silent, family, clip copy. So we have these contents. Look at the directory, it's the same. So now we have changed the default directory. So if you run this code, if you run this code, your model.h5 will be saved in this place near your files. So let me, now it's the time to run. Actually, it will take some time. So it's successfully saved, but did not appear yet. It needs some time. Depend on the size of the model. Sometimes it take like a few minutes. Uh, so it's not responding immediately. It's not a small file. No. So I think I will try to give it another run. Maybe. Yeah, it's appeared here. Good news. It's here. So this is our model. So the model, let me minimize. I will show it to you because there is some. Yeah, this is the model. I think you can see it now. This is our model. So it's saved in the correct place here. Now we need to make a prediction using the saved model because I want to make sure everything is working fine. So now let's go and try to make a prediction using our model. Control MB. So prediction. Any suggestions? Thank you. But we will not use the model. That model is the local model. I'm looking for the saved model. So I will use the load model from the library that I have been used. So load model. So I will say it's like this. Saved model. Okay, the saved model equal load model. Yes. Okay, load model dot h5. Okay, how can the collab understand that what is the location of the model .h5? It is the default model. We already changed to the default model from using change directory, so don't worry about that. And we already check that this file is already exist here in the directory, so everything will be fine. So let us do the prediction here. Now it would no more model, it will be saved model dot predict tensor dataset, correct, because if you go up you see our dataset processed last name was tensor dataset. Let me just remind you what is the type, whether it's positive or negative.
Ahmed.
So it's positive file. Go down and make the prediction using the model, the saved model, and print. When you finish, please print the prediction. Control enter. I think now we have done a good amount of work. I suggest you to test the save model with like all the 20 files, 30 files that you have put in your test folder here. So you will make sure that your model is strong. And thank you.